Good morning. This is a brief tutorial on how to maintain the hot tubs on a daily basis. First thing you're going to want to do is connect the hose, get the hose run to the hot tub with the spray nozzle attachment. Second thing you're going to want to do is locate the hot tub breaker and or disconnect. Turn it off. Second thing, the third thing you're going to want to do is then lift the lid. You will visually inspect the water at that point. This one, as you can see, is pretty clear. Next step is going to be removing this lid, which is just a simple counterclockwise turn. And the strainer and the mineral filter. That will allow you then to pull out the actual filter. The reason we do that is this is what collects all of the grime and dirt. You will then set this up somewhere close to the hot tub. And you will literally spray out as much of that grime as you can. This filter was pretty clean to begin with, but normally you will see a definite difference from when you pull it out. It'll be kind of a brownish color, and as you spray it, it'll become white. After that, you place the filter back into its slot. Replace the strainer and the mineral filter and the top cap. You will then go to breaker, turn it back on. At that point, you will take your testers, which all of you will have a bottle of. Remove one tester. Place it in for 1 second, and then you will compare it to the sequence. And as you can see, this hot tub is pretty close to the tolerances. The ones you're going to want to focus on the most is total chlorine and pH. So pH, we are pretty much right where we want to be, and total chlorine is a little bit low but within tolerance. Then what you're going to want to do is turn on the jets. So for this particular hot tub, it just needs a little bit of chlorine added. So I'm going to put 1 lid of chlorine in. And the pH was where it kind of wanted to be. So on this one, I'm going to basically now go do my pre-check. 15, 20, 30 minutes later, however long that pre-check may take, I will come back out and check the levels. And if they are all still within tolerance, I'm going to walk away from the hot tub. This is another product you all are going to get, and these are the shock pods. What we're going to do is leave enough in that canister for the amount of nights they are going to be here. If it's a 5-night stay, you're going to leave 5 shock pods. If it's a 2-night stay, you're going to leave 2 shock pods. Guests don't always use this. So another thing that I like to do is when I do the hot tub, I will then also throw a shock pod in. That will just help disinfect and make the hot tub clearer in the long run. Couple other products you're going to have is a water clarifier. If I would have come to this hot tub and it was a little bit cloudy, I will then throw a few lids of the clarifier in there during the initial treatment so that when I come back I can then test and see where the water quality is.